The iPhone 18 starts rock super hydrous ever created, is one of the most fabricated, insane. Through futuristic factories and robotic assembly lines, these raw materials are transformed into the powerful iPhone 18. You want to see the full video? Subscribe, like, and comment.
Every smartphone begins deep beneath the earth. Massive mining machines dig through layers of rock to extract the essential ingredients of modern technology. Lithium for batteries, copper for wiring, and rare earth metals that power advanced electronics. These raw materials are the foundation of the powerful device that will eventually fit in the palms of your hand. Inside ultra-advanced laboratories, raw silicon is heated to extreme temperatures until it melts into a glowing liquid. Engineers carefully purify these materials until it becomes nearly perfect. From this melting silicon, large crystals ignite and slowly form the building blocks of the microchip that will power the smartphone's brain. The giant silicon crystals are sliced into ultra-thin discs known as wafers. Each wafer is polished with mirror finish, creating a flawless surface where microscopic electronic circuits will soon be built. These wafers will eventually hold hundreds of powerful processors. In one of the most advanced manufacturing processes on Earth, powerful ultraviolet lasers carve billions of microscopic transistors onto the silicon wafer. This process, known as photolithography, creates the incredibly complex processor that will control every function of the phone. Next comes the heart of the device's battery, the lithium battery. Thin layers of energy storage materials are stacked together with extreme precision. Automated machines seal the cells, forming compact batteries capable of storing massive amounts of energy. Smartphone photography depends on incredible precision. In specialized optical labs, tiny lenses and sensors are carefully aligned to create powerful camera modules. Even the smallest misalignment could ruin an image, so every component is assembled with microscopic accuracy. The stunning display begins as delicate layers of organic light emitting materials. Inside advanced factories, these layers are carefully applied to create vibrant OLED screens capable of producing brilliant colors, deep blacks, and ultra-sharp images. In minutes, powerful cutting tools transform raw material into a perfectly shaped smartphone frame, shrunk, lightweight, and incredibly smooth. Now the process begins to come together. On high-speed assembly lines, robotic arms carefully place the processor, batteries, camera module, and circuit board into the phone's frame. Every component must fit perfectly within the compact design. The display is one of the most delicate parts of the phone. Precision robotic tools gently lower the OLED screen onto the device, aligning it perfectly with the frame before sealing it in place. With the hardware assembled, the phone is brought to life. Specialized systems install the operating software and run a series of diagnostic tests to ensure every sensor, camera, and processor is working flawlessly. Before reaching customers, each device must survive intense testing. Machines bend, drop, and expose the phone to water and extreme conditions. Only devices that pass every test must move forward. Once approved,
Initiating pickup sequence. Readings are stable. Proceed. Placement confirmed. Metrics updating. Initiating transfer sequence. ARM is engaging now. Data sync is stable. Confirmed. Metrics look good.
the finished phones are carefully cleaned and placed into their signature packaging. Each board contains a device that has passed through hundreds of precise manufacturing steps. Thousands of finished smartphones are stacked inside massive warehouses, ready to be shipped across the world. From raw minerals in the earth to advanced technology in your pocket, the journey of a modern smartphone